Basic mechanical engineering. Resolving the forces acting on the body in motion. Okay, right. So, objectives: effort P required to move a body on a rough horizontal plane. Resolving of force when horizontal forces is applied. Law of friction. Let a body of weight W rest on a rough horizontal surface. Let mu be the coefficient of friction between the body and the surface. Let a normal reaction, already N by the surface on the body. The normal force F acts opposite to the applied force. When the applied effort P is parallel to the surface, see diagram I already discussed. Law of equation. For a body to be in equilibrium under the action of external force, sum of horizontal components is 0, sum of H is equal to 0. Sum of the vertical components is 0, sum of V is equal to 0. Sum of movements is 0, sum of M is equal to 0, where M is equal to movements, H is equal to horizontal, V is equal to vertical. Yes. Applied law of equilibrium. Sum of H is equal to 0. P minus F. P means effort, F means friction, opposite friction, is equal to 0. Where P is equal to F is F, equation 1. Sum of V is equal to 0. Normal reaction and weight minus weight is equal to 0. And normal reaction is equal to weight is equal to, means second equation. But frictional force F is equal to mu N from equation 1. P is equal to mu N. P is equal to mu W. The horizontal effort P required to move the body on a rough horizontal plane is P is equal to mu W. Therefore, P is equal to mu W. Effort when effort P is applied at an angle with a horizontal, with an angle theta with a horizontal. See diagram where angle theta, horizontal P cos theta, vertical P sin theta. Yes, we know very well W, N, P and F. F is equal to frictional force. Resolving force horizontally. Yes. Sum of H is equal to 0. P cos theta, F is equal to 0. F is equal to P cos theta, equation 1. Resolving force vertically. Sum of V is equal to 0. N plus P sin theta, W is equal to 0. N is equal to W minus P sin theta, equation 2. But frictional force F is equal to mu N, already. From equation 1 and 2, P cos theta is equal to mu N. P cos theta mu into W minus P sin theta. P cos theta mu P sin is equal to mu W. Therefore, the effort P is equal to mu W divided by cos theta plus mu sin theta. Equation 1. But mu is equal to tan theta. By substituting mu is equal to tan theta in equation 1, P is equal to W sin theta divided by cos theta minus pi. W sin pi divided by cos into theta minus phi. Least effort required to move the body. From the above equation, P is minimum when theta is equal to pi. Cos pi is equal to 1. The least force required to move the body, very very important formula, P is equal to W sin pi. Yes, completed. Assignment, frequently asked questions. Derive the expression for force required to move the body on a rough horizontal surface. F is equal to mu mg. If the force is applied at an angle theta to horizontal, derive an expression for required force. F is equal to mu mg divided by cos theta plus sin theta. Thank you.